Today is April 18th. 28 degrees Fahrenheit is what it says here. April 18th, 2023. I'm gonna put some humic acid down on the lawn here, okay? So you see the snow here, it's quite thick and heavy. We've had a huge winter, bigger winter than we've ever had in my whole lifetime, and pretty much everybody I know, their whole lifetime, record-breaking snowfall and water and all that stuff. So we've just had lots of water. So the guy at Live Earth, he gave me the idea to spread this on the snow to get the snow to melt. And I was like, oh, I'll try that. That sounds fun. So he's like, you got to get this spreader, and then you got to walk around in the snow to spread it. I bought this spreader from a local ag supplier online, 250 bucks or something like that. I don't know. And I don't even know how this thing's supposed to go together. I just opened it in the box yesterday. So let's just see. Somehow you put this on your chest. I'm not exactly sure how, but maybe like that. And you run around and go like this. I just got to figure out how the hopper works. Okay, so this is bent just a little bit. So it looks to me like you just open and close it right here with this. And it looks bent a little bit, so I need a pair of pliers. This thing costs like 200 bucks. It's not exactly cheap. You can buy this spreader on Amazon or whatever, I don't know. And then it's got a little stopper here. Amazon kind of sucks where I live. Remember how they used to do like 2-day delivery from Prime? I don't get that here. Ever since COVID, it's just straight garbage. They don't deliver for crap here. I'm just kind of looking at the hole when I open the hopper, what kind of hole I'm gonna get. So let's go with that. See what happens there. If you buy this humic acid from my website, this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna come in a box like this. It's gonna be a 50-pound bag. It's gonna look like this. So this is a soil conditioner, granulated humic soil amendment for use on all turf, ornamentals, and crops. You could put this stuff on as heavy or as light as you want. So I'm just gonna load it down on the snow and see what happens. And he told me he was sending me the extra fine stuff. Normally it's not gonna come this fine because you wanna spread on the lawn, but we want it to melt snow. That's the whole point of this, is to melt snow. I don't know how I'm gonna get this up on here, but let's try it like this. That is not easy. It's heavy. Gotta clip this in like that. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm just gonna trounce around in the snow here. And I can already tell this thing is not high enough up, so I need to adjust that. So there we go. So it is throwing it right on my hand. And I am trudging through snow. Just wanting to make the snow black. It does work. I much prefer the walk behind. The walk behind's a much better product. This one just gets you all dirty. Kind of throws it all over your hand. So I can put that in. I did open the hopper full speed. I opened it up as wide as the hopper would go because I was, look, see that? I also bought these brand new boots from Sportsman's Warehouse. 150 bucks or something like that, dry shod. Look at this. See? Very deep. I'm telling you guys, it's probably 2 feet deep still or more. Less than ideal. The only hard thing about this is just getting this up onto the chest. That's the only thing difficult. Like that.
Kind of like it.
Kind of like this little thing. It's kind of nice. It's supposed to melt the snow. They say, oh yeah, it's gonna be super awesome. We'll see, won't we? Spring is upon us, summer shortly thereafter. This is like the super juice for snow. I'm gonna show you how you can get double dark instantly with this super juice formula. All you need to do is just put it on like this, double dark. If you look right here, I'm going over this several times. As you can see right here, this is double the darkness of that. So that is how it's done. The best part about this super juice, you don't have to be a super lawn crazy guy to be able to get it right. It's easy to do because you can see exactly where you've sprayed and where you have not sprayed. Over here, you can clearly tell that I have not sprayed, and over here, you can clearly tell that I have. You know what I mean? Super juice for snow. This is straight up black super juice. Super juice. So we're gonna see how this works out, because I'm probably not gonna do on the other side of the walkway because my fingers are really cold. I don't know if you can tell out here, but it is snowing right now. Need some gloves. So this is what it looks like. It's normally not that powdery, it's more like chunky. It's more chunky, but he sent me the tailings. I don't know, folks. This winter's ever gonna end. I know it will one day. And it's gonna go from 9 degrees to 90 overnight. Everything's gonna melt. It's gonna cause huge flooding problems. Everyone around here and throughout the whole state, they're all worried about flooding issues. I'm worried about flooding issues. You can see the sandbags I have here. Those are for flooding. This is what you call lawn care insanity. I think I put about 2.5 bags down about halfway through. So let's keep going. The humic acid is supposed to help with watering too. It's supposed to make your soil be conditioned so it will retain moisture in the lawn. It's supposed to do all this good stuff. I'm done. Spread 4 bags over this section, and it's weird because it starts out black and then it kind of melts the snow a little bit. And then it just kind of doesn't, maybe the snow covers it up or something. It doesn't look as dark as it does when you first put it on. And we'll just have to see how quickly it melts. As you can see, it is snowing right now, so that's less than ideal. Look, see that? So it's the next day. It's a little bit warmer today, maybe like mid-30s, but it looks awesome. It's definitely working well. It's melting very quickly with the black humic on there. And look at this. So see this drain right here? This is exactly what I wanted to have happen. This is draining off the lawn, and it's draining into this. It's draining into this drain, and then it goes straight down into a pit of gravel about 10 feet deep. So that's working. That's exactly how I designed it. I installed that drain. But look, you can see all the humic on the lawn. It looks good, it feels good. I like my chances. I give it another week and I'm thinking it will all be gone. So as the snow melts, the idea is to come out here with the blower and just blow all the crap off, kind of give the grass some air, keep so the snow mold will not be so bad. If you have snow mold, you want to really work at it, but you guys are long past all that. I'm just way behind, which is okay. The verdict on the renovation is it didn't really work. There's still lots of POA, which is okay. You know, it was there before. Look at the damage. Look at the damage the snowplow did. See that? Just came through here and just tore up the lawn. And that's okay. Such is life. That's their property, so that is their property. Same for over here. I cleaned most of this off with the blower, so you can see all that crap right there. That's all new, uncovered stuff. I had the skid steer through here and piling snow everywhere. Look, here's more damage from the snowplow. I think it'll come back. Hope you guys get something out of the video. If you haven't seen my website and are interested in buying some merch or some humic, you can go there and buy it. Look at this. See this? That's snow mold. See that? Snow mold. I think that's going to do it for this video. Hope to get this out to you soon. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. This is 20 inches. Today is April 19th. That is 20 inches and it's 31 degrees out here. And people say, why don't you just move? Because in the middle of the summer, I have the most amazing temperatures ever and can grow the most beautiful looking grass. I just have to deal with long winters. I think today is Saturday, April 23rd, and I just did this on Tuesday. And just want to show you the difference. There's a pretty big difference. A lot of snow has melted in terms of sheer heat because it's gotten a little bit warmer. It's still cold, but look, you can see all the humic on top of the snow, and it has melted significantly. I think I measured this part right here and it was 20 inches, and so that's probably about 14 now, right there. Quite a bit different in terms of the melt. Now we got to clean up all this crap and then start cultivating the lawn. So